If y equal to x to the power 1 by x, find dy by dx at x equal to 1. Now y equal to x to the power 1 by x. Taking log to both sides, we get log of y equal to log x 1 by x. Now it will be log y equal to 1 by x log x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get one by y, differentiation of log y, 1 by y, and with respect to x for y, dy by dx. Then 1 by x constant log x, differentiation d dx of log x 1 by x plus log of x d by dx 1 by x minus 1 by x square. 1 by y dy by dx equal to 1 by x square minus log x by x square. We are taking common x square. We are getting x square LCM. So x square 1 minus log x. Now dy by dx dy by dx will be y into 1 minus log of x by x square. So putting the value of y equal to x to the power 1 by x, 1 minus log x by x square. Now dy by dx, the value of dy by dx at x equal to 1, we are getting 1 to the power 1 by 1, 1 minus log 1 by 1, 1 minus log 1 equal to 0 by 1, it will be 1. Final answer.